Let's download Visual Studio. Search Visual Studio, download, hit enter. Let's go to first link. Let's open new tab. Here different version of Visual Studio you can see. So we need to download any one you want. Here Visual Studio Community, this is free version, and for me I want Visual Studio Professional. Click this one to download Visual Studio Professional. It will download the installer of the Visual Studio. This installer will check my machine configuration to download its component. Let's wait a few minutes. This is continue. Click Visual Studio installer will download and it will check my configuration. Based on my configuration, it will detect which component to download and which one is already installed. Scrolling down, select ASP.NET Core to install ASP.NET Core. This one you need to select, and for database we need to select data storage and processing. This will install the DB instance, SQL Server Data Tools. This one we need for database connection. Click install. This will take too much time. Click close. We don't want any survey. We need to wait 40 minutes to 1 hour. Let's skip this part. After installing this Visual Studio, the Visual Studio will open up and we don't need to sign up, maybe later. Select the theme. I want dark. Click start Visual Studio. It will take few minutes to open up the Visual Studio. Close this one. Let's check .NET Core installed or not. New project, .NET Core, yes, this one already installed. Let's check database connection string installed or not, which comes with Visual Studio. Scrolling down, need to find out database tools and this database connection. Yes, this instance already installed. This is connection string we will use later.